like to thank all of you for coming here. Together with the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints and other faith, unity does not mean uniformity, but mutual respect and harmony. We require a sincere heart.
So brothers and sisters, I do believe that we, being the children of our Father in heaven, we are all brothers and sisters. We have one Father in heaven who loves us so much, and being His children, we have to love one another. And because of this, loving one another is we are obeying God's commandments.
Religion plays a significant role in society. This camp used as a tool for us to have unity, harmony, and peace.
Beautiful and joyful and full of generosity, faithful, strong bond po with us.
Hindi naman talaga hadlang ang pagkakaiba-iba dahil ang bawat panalangin ng bawat isa sa atin ay pagkakaisa.
After all, our common goal is to embody the greatest commandment, which can be summarized in one word: love.
Dito po sa ginanap po na camp na to ay nagkaroon po kami ng time po para magkasama-sama ng hindi po namin iniisip po ano po yung religions or yung pagkakaiba-iba po ng aming religions.
Mi piace come ambiente, mi piace stare con le persone, conoscere persone nuove e anche condividere la mia cultura.
Love one another and also serve one another. Kasi in that way, we can show yung light sa ibang tao.
First of all, respect can come when there is enough information for them to be able to meaningfully participate in discussions. Then they will have enough reason to really respect for and learn from these faiths.
Madami nagsasabi na religions divides people, pero this camp has proved na hindi. Talagang na-felt namin yung unity because we all serve one God.
It showed us that kahit na iba-iba yung ating relihiyon, iba-iba yung ating kultura, basta willing tayong magtulungan sa isa't isa ay makakamit natin yung goal na mayroon tayo.
Everyone was open to hear each other's differences and similarities, and you will realize na there's this one thing na binds all religions.
The good thing about this interfaith camp, the kids will understand to be more open-minded and more welcoming to the beliefs of others without any judgment. We are inviting the youth to share their religion to everyone so that a lot of people, a lot of youth also, so that we can also learn more about the other religions.